The drone community is buzzing with excitement following a recent tweet that sparked a wave of conjecture and anticipation. The tweet in issue includes a video frame of a sticker drone next to a bag, which has piqued the interest of enthusiasts. This drone does not quite fit the profiles of the DJI Air 3 or the Mavic 3 Pro, leading to a variety of hypotheses on what it could be. The tweet was posted by Jasper Ellens, a well-known figure in the drone community. Ellens speculated that a public beta tester left his hash Mavic 4 inches before adding, "Could this be the widely desired 1 inch?" This comment has generated significant discussion and some confusion to understand the excitement and the ensuing debate. It's important to dive into the specifics of drone sensors and what this potential new release could mean for users. First, let's consider the context of the Mavic series. The Mavic 3, a highly respected model, boasts a 4/3 sensor. This sensor size is larger than 1 inch, which typically translates to better image quality, especially in low light. Thus, a move to a 1-inch sensor for a potential Mavic 4 would initially seem like a step backward. However, this isn't necessarily the case, and understanding why requires a closer look at the DJI Air series. The DJI Air 3, the latest in the Air lineup, offers 2 smaller sensors, a departure from its predecessor, which had a single larger sensor. Many in the drone community viewed this as a downgrade in terms of image quality. A 1-inch sensor in the Air series would represent a significant upgrade and align with the desires of many users looking for improved performance in this category. This is likely why Ellens' mention of a 1-inch sensor has caught so much attention. The drone in the image shared by Ellens appears to have an airframe that is distinctly Air-like in design. However, the camera block, as much as it can be discerned from the image, seems more akin to the larger, more advanced block found on the Mavic 3 series drones. This hybrid appearance has fueled speculation about whether this is a new Air model with Mavic-level capabilities, or an entirely new direction for DJI. Adding to the intrigue is a recent incident reported by Drone DJ about an apparent fake leak of the Air 3S. This supposed leak wasn't corroborated by reliable sources, but did manage to stir up the community, leading to ongoing discussions about potential new releases. The timing of this incident, coupled with Ellens' recent tweet, has many enthusiasts pondering the possibility of both an Air 3S and a Mavic 4 debuting soon. Jasper Ellens has a reputation for being a reliable source in the drone community, which lends credibility to his speculation. He might be hinting at a true 1-inch sensor in the context of photography, as opposed to the video-oriented 1-inch sensors. In the video industry, a 1-inch sensor is somewhat of a misnomer, referring to a sensor size of 13.2 by 8.8 in, which is actually half an inch on the long side. This discrepancy is a historical artifact that can confuse discussions about sensor sizes, as detailed by a colleague in the article "Camera Sensor Sizes Are Stupid." Ellens' speculation about the 1-inch sensor could mean that secondary cameras in the new model will feature this size, which would be an upgrade from the current offerings. The idea of a 1-inch sensor, even in a secondary camera, would be a significant enhancement, offering better image quality and more versatility for drone photographers and videographers. Moreover, Ellens has hinted at a potential launch date, suggesting August 1st. This speculation adds another layer of anticipation, as the drone community eagerly awaits official announcements from DJI. If the rumored features and improvements come to fruition, the new models could represent a significant leap forward for both the Air and Mavic series. In conclusion, the drone community is abuzz with excitement and speculation fueled by Jasper Ellens' intriguing tweet. The possibility of new models with improved sensors and advanced capabilities has enthusiasts eagerly awaiting more information. Whether it's a new DJI Air model with a 1-inch sensor or a Mavic 4 with unprecedented features, the coming months promise to be thrilling for drone fans. So, that's all about the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed. Like this.